you doing today? Hopefully great. So today I got my winter car, so I can drive this instead of the Charger. Just every day. Well, actually every day I'm gonna drive it to work. The Charger's gonna stay home, and the wife's gonna have her Jeep back. And it's a 2010 Ford Fusion. It's in pretty good shape. Just needs good cleaning. What's cool is I got it from my brother, so he hooked me up. So thumbs up to him if he's watching. And you know what? He's a police officer. So if you guys, let's give a big thanks to the police officer and firemen out there that go out there every day for us and help keep us safe and help everybody out. Yeah, so you guys see one, give him a thumbs up or wave at him. Thank him. So, and that's dedicated for him. Let's do a walk around of my winter car. It's going to be the before shots. Need to get a new windshield. Aren't you, big guy? Yeah. So we're gonna be having a series on this, buffing it up, making it look good, cleaning it all up. You can see some of the scratches in it. Now, I'm not going for, perfect, or trying to get the scratches out the best I can. I'm not going for that. Just giving it a good clean up, make it look good. I don't want to strip too much clear coat. So basically it's just going to be, using a polish where it's not, we'll get most of it, and if it leaves some scratches on it, it's going to leave it on there. So we're just going to clean it up, make it look good again. So yeah. So here's what the products we're going to be testing out. It's going to be Dinowax from the other video I got. So we got your shine. These three will be your shine. It's going to be sealant and wax. Those are last. These three will be last. So what we're going to do, these will be our polishes. This one's like for fresh paint or really deep scratches. We're not going to use that one yet. Maybe on a couple. But we're going to mainly, I'm going to start out, with the scratch compound, and then we'll be going with number 2. So it's going to be 1 and 2. Alright, and once those processes done, we're going to go to a 3. And then after that, we'll go with the sealant, and then we'll go with the wax, and we're going to see the results. So this video is going to be, a nice long series. So, and then we'll see the results from these products. I never used these products before. Dinowax, I'll have the link down below if you want to check them out. Got a good deal on this kit right here, and you get the rack. I can hang it in the garage, but that's the stuff we're going to use on this. I think those products will be a good, I think the products will work good to test them out on this vehicle. So thanks for watching this short video on this, and keep an eye out for the upcoming videos for these products. So I figured make a little teaser for you guys, throw this out here, and then get to work, and then weekly have a video of cleaning this bad boy up, and then we'll do the interior last. I'll do a video on interior. And that's another thing. Do you guys want to see more interior cleaning? I think I'm going to start getting into the cleaning interior a little bit more. Starting to throw in some interior cleaning and some engine stuff like that. Kind of mix it up a little bit. Yeah, I'll still learning more stuff on the engine stuff and detailing. So you got to remember, we're just driveway detailers. We do it as a hobby, and we like doing it. So we enjoy doing it, that's for sure. Wouldn't mind doing if I got some customers and just want a good cleaning, I wouldn't mind doing something like that, give a nice wash and maybe throw a wax on there for them, clean it up a little bit, make it look good. I don't want to get into paint correction, like scratches and stuff like that. I don't want to be responsible for trying to get that out. Yeah, I'd rather would just be like a maintenance wash or something like that, clean them up real good. So yeah, you guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate it, and make sure you subscribe and like and hit the bell, and so you can make sure you get notified for for these series of the videos and our car show videos and everything else we do with our cars. So you guys have a great one. Later.